you doing, buddy?
Fucking read, you fucking cretin piece of shit. Look, if you want to talk about computers, then take it to a fucking another room, okay? Because this is a fight room, my friend. So put your fucking dukes up.
Here we go. Pissed off another one. 2 seconds over here. It's fucking pissed off. Jesus Christ.
Hey, lecture, why are you such a fucking ginger twat? I bet you got fucking ginger hair on your fucking nuts, haven't you, fucking lecture? If it isn't the Genghis fucking Khan of Pal Fuck. You gingerbread boy. You're back in the cookie jar, monkey. Hey, Scout, you want to nibble the ginger nuts? Who wants to nibble the ginger nuts? No one wants your ginger. Come back when you taste like wasabi.